Hello and welcome back. Okay, so next week we're going to be working on a statistics project, and you're going to need some data for that because we're going to, find all the stuff that we've been finding and make histograms and all that fun stuff, box and whisker plots. So anyway, we're going to collect data, and to do that, you're going to need to create a Google form like we did before. So this time you're going to create a Google form. You need to ask 2 questions. They need to be answerable by just numbers. And then you're going to post it to a Padlet. I have the link for that on Schoology. And then that way you'll have data for next week. Now, this is part of your maroon assignments for the week. So, yeah. And if you're not in my class, you don't understand what any of that means, that's okay. We're still going to create Google Forms. So, what I'm going to do, I went to google.com. To mother to sea turtle. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my dot dots. I'm going to go down to Forms. We've done this before. This is just a recap. It's going to pull up Google Forms. We're going to create a new one. And then it'll be, you can name it whatever you want. Okay. So Untitled Form, so you'd give it a name, Statistics Project, Spillers Project, whatever. And then, please answer with numbers only is what I would probably put here because it'll be easier. You won't have to clean up your spreadsheets later on. Because sometimes if people answer, they'll put like, oh, well, about this, or I don't know, maybe blah. And so you'll have to sort your data and take out the ones that have words in it. So I would probably give them some instructions here and say, hey, please answer with a number only. Then you're going to come up with 2 questions. So let's see. How many pairs of shoes do you have? Does your mom have? Okay, so right now it's kind of leaning towards multiple choice. If that's the case, I want to change that because I don't want to limit them. I want just straight up short answer. So I would click on that arrow, go up to short answer. That way they can fill in the blanks. So some people might say 1, some people might say 2, some people might say like 2,500. Who knows? But some people have lots of shoes. Just saying. Not that I would know anything about that. Yeah. Anyway, so short answer. Then you're going to do that required, add another question, make that also short answer. When you're finished, and I'm going really fast because my video time is limited on this, you're going to go to settings, I think, or share. Let's look at the send. You're going to go to send. And what you're going to do is you're going to go to link. And we're gonna copy this link. A lot of times I shorten it just because it's fun that way. You're gonna copy this and we're gonna put it over into the Padlet. We're also gonna put it into your maroon assignment, and we're also later on gonna put it into your website. But we're gonna create a website next week, by the way. The other thing you need to do is you need to go to settings, and let's see. Right here it says restrict users to Humble ISD. I would uncheck that. So you want anybody to be able to click on it, so that way, if you want to gather data from your friends or your parents or whatever, you want to not restrict it, and that way when people are looking at your website, they can click on that. It'll open for them. So I would do that. I would unrestrict that and save it. And that way, when you copy the link, people can see it. But yeah, so that's basically it. That's just creating a Google form. I would make it prettier just because I don't really like it when it's just plain and ugly. I would put like some kind of a picture. This is totally up to you. But let's see. Looks like a lightsaber. Let's do the lightsaber. Ta-da! Ooh. And then, you can choose a theme color, the background color. I like mine a little bit darker. I kind of wish they would let us customize it a little bit more. That's my main complaint with all the Google stuff is that they don't let you customize it very much. But yeah, okay, so that's basically it. So part of this thing is that you're going to create a Google form, you're going to collect some data, and then like we did before, when people start answering, it'll be up on this responses part right here. And you'll have the option of creating a spreadsheet, and you're going to want to do that. So, okay, that's it.